Good afternoon. Welcome to CASPA 2012 Spring Symposium.
My name is Christy Wang, and this is my charming partner, Xiaoning Qi. Xiaoning is also the symposium chair and has done tons of work to make today happen.
We've always believed in the power of computing to create a smarter, more connected world, to improve our lives, and to remind us that the everyday things we do really are extraordinary. Because with intelligence everywhere, there's no limit to what we can do.
So today's theme is novel human interface technologies for the future. The rapid advance of semiconductor technologies has enabled a wide range of new devices, which fundamentally reshaping our ways of living, thinking, and interacting with each other. In this symposium, we will have technologists, visionaries from leading semiconductor companies and software companies and universities to present and share with us the most recent innovative new human interfacing technology.
Today's event is organized and sponsored by CASPA. CASPA stands for Chinese American Semiconductor Professional Association. It was founded in 1991 by several Bay Area engineers, and it has developed into the biggest Chinese semiconductor organization worldwide.
Welcome to CASPA Spring Symposium. Today we have a very interesting event. We have an MC team like Oscar Academy Award. They're so professional. We thank Intel for providing such a wonderful place for our symposium. As one of CASPA's signature events, Spring Symposium is a good place where in early of the year, we can introduce the current technology trend to our community at large. This year, there's no doubt the novel human interface technologies is the right and hot topic. As we know, semiconductor chips are everywhere around us. They are too small to be noticed, but they are so powerful to perform billions of operations in a single second, thanks to the semiconductor process technology and also the innovative CPU and GPU architecture.
But before I get started, representing Intel, I do have to answer one question that we get a lot whenever Intel presents or in press, in various events, which is the PC dead? We hear that a lot. There are probably, it's a hot topic for people, journalists to write articles about how PC is dead. Just a dead device working because you have smartphone.
Thank you.
I'm glad to hear that PC is not dead because Microsoft thinks the same way. Last year, believe it or not, we have this question all the time. Apple is going to kill Microsoft and so on. And last year, his number was slightly off. We actually sold 260 million software licenses. So PC is not dead. And it depends on what you want to do. It'll probably never be dead because things you can do with PC to create things, you sometimes can't do with tablet. My son, from him, actually, I learned from his Facebook page. And my relatives from India said, "Hey, did you know he has a girlfriend?" Like, really? He hasn't told me about it yet. "Oh, did you read his Facebook?" "No, I don't go to Facebook." The other thing that's happened with all this is, I'll tell him, saying, "Why don't you call home?" "I have no time." "Really? No time to call home?" "No, no time. I'm so busy. I'm working. I'm doing this." And now look at his Facebook page, which is updating like every microsecond. I went here, I went there, but all that is consuming data, and all this is, this is all cloud computing, and everybody's connected.
She actually demonstrated this last week at GDC. This is the first production units in the United States. I promise, and too nervous.
And basically, there are 4 features. If you look at think about cats. When cats get surprised or they look at something, their ears perk up. When they're relaxed, they're lazy, their ears lay down. So I'm not sure she's going to be too relaxed up here. So I don't expect the ear to come down too much. But when they rotate a little bit, that means she's kind of thinking about something. So there are 4 modes, and just think about the cat's behavior, and they map to your emotional state. So it's more of a passive thing. Yeah, don't get there. That's okay.
Relax. Let me see your air drop.
Just close your eyes and just ignore them. I always tell him to let a guess win the first round. You want to try 2 out of 3? 2 out of 3.
Skiing is the part that we interact with machines or with each other through. And also we think that we can learn a lot from skiing. Skiing is actually a material that has many attributes that we would like our electronic devices to have. So in this super skiing structure, we want to have our electronic devices to be able to have all the sensors that human skiing has. For example, touch sensing functionality, temperature sensing functionality. But in addition to that, since we are making a man-made device, so we can be more creative. We can add new functionalities.
In fact, I was such a poor student at university that after I graduated, my parents wrote me a letter, and it went something like this. Dear Vernon, we're writing this letter very slowly because we know that you don't read very well. So, if we exchange cards, and you send me an email, please write it slowly. It's a new world for retailers. There's fierce competition out for them. The competition's coming from everywhere now. We're seeing chains come from across the Pacific. We're seeing chains come in from Europe, and so the competition is global. There are multiple channels or ways that the retailers can sell to us, and what they need to be aware of is that they have to enhance the customer experience. They need to create customer loyalty, and they need to increase same-store sales. And hopefully from this demonstration you've seen that the proper application of technology can make this experience happen in a very cost-effective manner.